Now in this lecture we are going to study how to connect your Java database, right? So now the first step is to download JDBC download, right, for Java. Now click in on this link. I will give this link in the description below, and you have to just download this database, right? So now they just download this, right? After downloading this, what to do with this I will tell you in the upcoming lecture, right? So now let's focus on the program, right? So now here it is our simple Java program that we want to execute, right? We want to connect it to the database, right? So now I have just imported an scanner, right? So now after this, as you can remember that in the previous lecture we have created this table, right, in SQL. So now we will continue this for filling the form, right? So now we will go towards the coding, right? So now here it is. I have created one package connect, right? I have imported scanner, right, and data connect is my class. Now I have to add main method, right? So now in this type, you have to add these SQL exceptions, right? So now the main methods for connecting, right, throws class not found exception and SQL exception, right? This is showing error. We have to import this, right? So now we have to import this, right? Here it is, and now we are going to get started. So now uh, what our we are going now in the this table, right? So now first row is the id and second is the name, right? So first is the integer and second is the character, right? So now for this we are going to create scanner property, right? As scanner is a static for this, right? So we are going to create static scanner, right? So now let's create an object of scanner. Now here it is. So we have created one object of scanner system.in, right? So now in the main property you will write enter the values, right? You will write and enter the value. It will store in a integer type and name, that is the next. What is this? You might be remembering that in this first is the value, right? This is id, and second is the name, that is characters, right? So now after this we are going to import some properties, right? So now after this we are going to call the driver, right? So now this is the main step for connecting our database, right? So now class dot for name, this is where the Oracle driver is, right? So now after this we are going to establish a connection, right? So now for establishing the connection we have to enter this, right? So now I will maximize this. So now here it is, your this is the keywords you have to type here, right? So now here it is the database which you want to connect. I have connected system, and here it is your password that you are entering in the SQL, right? Here it is showing errors, right? So why are these errors? This is the syntax. You have to follow this, and this has no logic, right? So you have to click here and you have to import this connection, right? So if you import, you will also get to import driver manager, right? After importing, the error will be gone. But when for in Java there is create statement, right, to call the specific areas. So when you SQL statement s, that is con.create statement, means s is our variable, right? So now after this we have to insert something, right? So now insert into our table, right? And this is the syntax of creating SQL, right? So now insert into paste values, right? So as you can see here in the SQL table we have created here that insert, right, insert into best values one join, right. Now the here it is the same for this programming. We have insert into this is just an executable statement that makes it execute in the SQL. So now after this we are going to mm, now what happens in this, I am going to give it in the comments, right. Now here I will result is set is x dot execute query. It is just inserting values, right. So now I will give this code in the resources. You can just refer to it, right. So now mm, mm, what we have to set is that mm, after completing this we are going to write that ps dot set int 1 comma a, right. So a is an integer, it should go into the first position, right, that is id position. So now similarly, what is this ps, right. Ps is the object type of object that is to be entered in the sql table, right. So now after this uh, our program contains a string also, so we have to create one and therefore our string, right. So now this is ps dot set string to name, right. So now after this we are going to add executable command, right. So now this command just executes it, and to run, as we have seen that to run the program we have to uh, we have to write that select star from base, right, then only it is displayed. We have to also add this line to the our statement, right. So now for your information I will give also this in the comment in here, right, in type of comments. So now updated base set name is equals to best where name is equals to best, right. So now this is another object that is it is executing a query that is select star from the batch. It does the same job as it does the same job as is as done here by creating by displaying rows and columns, right. So now after this we are going again in this, and we are going to set a loop, right. Our program shouldn't be stop anywhere, so for this purpose we are going to create while loop, right. Now while is is one means this object dot next means when it has next it is going to print, right, means all the table it should print. Here it is showing one error, and here it is again importing some, right. So now instead of this we have learned something that to call all the classes it is not necessary, but for the information I am telling you, and we have to just write star, right. After this every sql has been imported, right. So now you might be thinking now it is all right and we will run this. So now it is not that simple. So if you run this program you will be showing errors, right. If I enter the value and enter the name Harry, it will show value, right. Why is this? Because we have to set some parameters, right. So now here it is our package in this class is there. Now we have to just right click on this. After clicking right click you have to select build path and then add external archives, right. So now after this you will be displaying one dialog box. You will be displaying one dialog box like this, and in this you are going to select OGBC OJDBC6, right. When you click on it open, then it will add the reference libraries to this. As you can see here it is a reference libraries it adds it to my package, right. So after executing this, if now you will save this, and you run this now, you will be getting output you have expected, right? So I will write here 10 and name I will give as 1, right? So now after entering this, the code is getting executed and this is our list, right? 5 kg, 5 John, 5 John, 5 JH and 10 me, right? So now this is our how to we can access tables and create various operations on them through this, right? So now you have got the idea that how to store values in tables and how to get values from there, right? Get int and you can change them, right? So now you are free to connect to any mm, any server and database and can manage, right? So now that's the main goal of this lecture and I will be ending this